I'm soaked. I've just been weeding, I'll show you. I've just been weeding this bit, the flower bed, to get them cosmos that are over there. Some sunflowers and that. The rudbeckia out. Stop this a second. To get the rudbeckia and all them flowers and that planted out because we're getting a heat wave apparently at the end of this week. Put all them out there to plant out. Some of them are coming home with me. There's lots of sunflowers. I hope the wind doesn't destroy them. I've already planted the purple sprout and broccoli I got. Oh, is that the water? That's the water coming through. Is this actually working then or what? Are you not even connected? Oh my god. Oh, you weren't even underneath, were you? All that time. Right, it's underneath now. Anyway, this is what I brought down just now. The fly's bleeding. Aubergines, which I'm going to be putting on. I'm going to put on all these while it's raining, I think. Zinnias. I did have cucumber, but I accidentally dropped the bag and it snapped. Snapped 3 of them. And they weren't looking that great anyway. Oh, actually 3. Yeah, 3 of them. But they probably will grow back, I don't know. There's my other cucumbers. So I'll be putting them on. Move them out of the way. Brought down the other day. Bush tomatoes. I tried to sow these twice at home and they didn't grow. And then I looked in my dad's back garden and there were some dried up tomatoes where I had them last year. And the seeds worked from them. And this, what were these again? Oh, just normal red plum, because I noticed I didn't have any. Oh, and my melons. But yeah, I can save them. So I've got a lot to put on while it's raining. It is raining again. I'm stuck in the greenhouse again. I don't really know where to put these spring onions yet. But they'll be alright for a bit longer. The peas will be alright for a bit. They'll be getting planted out soon. What I really need to plant is the tomatoes, but again I can't do that today. I've just potted on the aubergines that you saw the little pot of, the zinnias, the plum tomatoes, and what else did I put on? That you didn't really see, it was a different type of rudbeckia. I potted on the melons. Do you think they'll survive? The bush tomatoes, I plotted on the 2 big beefsteak tomatoes. All the lovelies bleeding. And that's just 2 extra pull on. I'm going to try and do the cucumbers. I was going to leave them, but I'm thinking if I plant them and try and with them intact, you know, deep, it might work. But yeah, once them tomatoes are gone, it'll look a lot better in here. And I haven't even got anywhere for the pumpkins to go yet. I just planted them in there deep. That's the one that's not snapped. That was like a little bit snapped. That was snapped, and that one snapped fully. I planted that one there. So I've planted 2 in one pot because I don't think the other one's don't think they're gonna survive at all. You know? And they're gonna grow up here like normal. Sunflowers at the back, cosmos behind the chrysanthemums, and lupins at the back. Dahlias. Not sure how big they get. Another lavender here and some rudbeckia. It's just spares. Got the zinnias. see how many zinnias we got. They're definitely not ready to be planted out. Got 6 bunches, and I'm probably only going to plant 4. So I'll probably fit them in wherever there's gaps. They're going in the polytunnel. I could plant some of them then, some of them in the polytunnel. We've got the sunflowers in, the lupins in. There's the other flower that was already in, cosmos. 1 lavender. Still got them to go in. This is a couple of days later now, on the night, like 6 o'clock, 6:30, something like that. Thought I'll come down, do a little bit, try and get the rest of these plants in. As you can see, that's all the sunflowers and the cosmos, and the lupins that you can't really see. Just planted some them rudbeckia just now, and the lavender. That's California poppies, I think. That's to take home. I'm going to plant these. That's all the dahlias laid out. And there's this, which I've got 4 of, which I think is quite small clumps, but it comes back. But then when it flowers, it gets big, as far as I know. So I'll plant 3 here and 1 at home. Just got to plant these dahlias now. That's them planted. Everything's planted now. So the only places we've got space is in between these at the front. Which I was thinking I could put like the self-seeded nasturtiums in. But then that might go mad, spread everywhere. So I've got loads here. Loads. See what else we've got. Those lutins are for home. I have Love Lies Bleeding. I forgot about that. And the zinnias. Oh my god, let me see if I've got space for the zinnias. Let me go say casp. Guess I'm going to have to save it for the zinnias. And squeeze some Love Lies Bleeding in somewhere once they're ready. But that's it for now. That's my flower bed planted. Giant lilies. There was daffodils there. There's the lavender. Some poppies. The cosmos are already flowering a bit. Some verbena. Those cosmos are for home. Hello. So that's done. I've got my flower bed back, and there's the gate behind me because it's the flower bed down there. If you can see that, so I can see it from the greenhouse, and whoever comes in the allotment can see it when I get inspections or whatever. Or you know, it's just nice to see some flowers because I've got 2 allotments now, so I've got enough space for flowers, and I like having cut flowers when it's someone's birthday or something, or just having the house to give to family and friends, or my mum on her grave. I can give her some flowers, homegrown. I love it. Anyway, thanks for watching.